Hello guys, today let's see the Capgemini interview questions asked yesterday for 3.8 and 6.8 LPA of around 30 students. See, the first question was tell me something about yourself, and you can tell it around 1.5 to 2 minutes, and why you have chosen the branch IT, and something about your project. So explain them each and every detail of your project, your approach, and what was your role, and how did you overcome conflicts. These type of questions are very common, asked in each and almost each and every interview. So be thorough and prepared with your projects. What modules you have used, they may ask questions from projects only. What kind of role you prefer, as I said, and willing to relocate. Again, coming to HR, they ask the same thing. HR, you can tell me about yourself. You can go to 3 to 4 minutes. Then they'll ask minor projects, what was your role, and they'll ask ready for bond, relocation, and also you should be ready to say yes, never say no for this type of questions. And if you have any questions for the HR, you ask those. Coming to the second questions, TR questions were like, again, tell me about yourself, and what language you're comfortable with, either C, C++, Java, whichever you're comfortable with. Rate yourself in that. So they'll ask the questions according to you. Never rate below 5. Rate it 6, 7. If you are a pro, rate it 9 or 10. So they'll test you accordingly. Coming to pointer, what is pointer? Pointer is a nothing but a address which holds the address of a variable. Like, pointers store the addresses and make easy for the access, easy to access those access the elements if with the addresses. Coming to pointer, on pointer and syntax, you check it in the description box. I'll provide the answer there, and if you know, well and good. Coming to structures and unions, structure is nothing but it adds the memory location, and it's the memory it occupied is the sum of memory occupied by an individual variable. Coming to union, the memory occupied is the memory of largest data type. It has example float and int, so it will get 4 bytes float memory only. And so you can tell these differences. They, you can tell the offset addresses start with for structure it's different, for union it's same. So at least 3 to 4 differences you say. Coming to static function, static function is a function which can access only static variables, and so you can say a few more points. And how will you count the number of people in an area? So these type